सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे केआ बांठिया माध्यमिक विद्यालय व एन पालीवाला ज्युनियर कॉलेज नवीन पनवेल सादर करीत आहे शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओ.
How are you? Very good. I am also fine. I am J.K. Kumbar, maths teacher K.A. Banthia, Madhyamik Vidyalaya Navin Panvel, Raigad. Yesterday we have seen graphical method for solving the simultaneous equation. After watching this video, you can try to solve practice set 1.2. Now we are going to learn next point, that is determinant. You know, this is the sign of determinant. A, B, C, D. In determinant A, B, C, D is called a determinant. Here A, B and C, D are two rows and AC and BD two columns. There are two elements in each row and each column. There are two elements in each row and each column. Therefore, degree of this determinant is 2. If there are three elements, then degree of that determinant will be 3. And here are only two elements in each row and each column. Therefore, degree of this determinant is A. Now, we have to find the value of this determinant. Value of determinant is equal to, in determinant again A, B, C, D is equal to, for finding the value of determinant, multiply A into D minus C into B, that is A into B minus C into D is the value of the required determinant. Now we are going to take one example of this determinant. How to find the value of determinant? Can you tell me any determinant? Very good. 5, 3, 7, 9. We can find the value of this determinant according to that formula. 5 into 9 minus 7 into 3 is equal to 5 9s are 45 minus 7 3s are 21. 5 minus 1 is 4 and 5 minus 2 is 2. 24 is the value of this determinant, and we can find such a way the determinant of value of determinant. This type of example carrying 1 mark in question paper, board question paper also. Now we are going to see how to solve simultaneous equation by determinant method. Our next point is how to solve simultaneous equation by determinant method. Determinant method, it is also called as Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule. In question paper, in example, there is mention solve the following simultaneous equation by determinant method or solve by Cramer's rule. Both methods are same. Determinant method means Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule means determinant method. How to find, how to solve, given example. First we are going to write the standard form of simultaneous equation. We know a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. Then second one, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. From this equation, we can solve the simultaneous equation. First, we have to find from these two equations d, dx and dy. What is value of d? For finding d, here we consider a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. For finding value of d, write the coefficients of x and y from both equations, that is a1 b1 and a2 b2 is equal to a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1. Now here this is value of d. Now we are going to find dx is equal to, for finding d, here except a1 a2 write there c1 c2 and b1 b2 as it is. Again cross multiplication, c1 into b2 minus c2 into b1. Then dy is equal to, write a1 a2 as it is and except b1 b2 write there c1 c2. Again cross multiplication, a1 into c2 minus a2 into c1. First we have to find d, dx and dy. Now by Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule or by determinant method. We have to find x. X is equal to dx by d and y is equal to dy by d. That means we have to remember the formula d, dx and dy. How we can remember this? See here, a1, b1 and a2, b2. There is one idea. a1, b1 and a2, b2 are the main players and c1, c2 are the reserve players. Suppose this is first game, this is second game and this is third game. If we play first game, main players are there. a1, b1 and a2, b2 are main players. This is for our convenience. Then this is second game, dx. For second game, these first two players are taking rest. Except these two first player, the reserve players are there and remaining two players are as it is. That means for second game, that is dx is equal to c1 c2 and b1 b2. Now last, that is third game. For third game, first two players are coming and then b1 b2 are taking rest. Except b1 b2, we can write c1 c2. In this way we can remember d, dx and dy, and then for finding the value of x and y we can write dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d, and then we can write the solution of x and y. Remember these three formulae, d, dx and dy, if and if only the given equations are in standard or general form. If the equations are not in standard form, first we have to convert given equation in this way and then we can write x, dx, dy, then dividation and then our solution set. Now we are going to see the practice set 1.3. 1.2 is depends on graphical method. You try to solve at home yourself. If any doubt, if any problem, you can ask first your friend and then you will ask me. Here practice set 1.3. Question number 1, example number 1. Fill the blanks with correct number. Fill the blanks with correct number. Three, 2 and 4, 5. In determinant 3, 2, 4, 5 is equal to 3 into box minus box into 4 is equal to box minus 8 is equal to box. We have to fill the empty boxes from given determinant. We know the formula for finding the value of determinant. Multiplication of these two numbers means 3 into 5. Here 3 into 5 means in first box we can write 5 minus 4 into 2 or 2 into 4. That means 4 is here. That means here 2 into 4. Now 3 5s are 15. 2 4s are 8 is already given. 15 minus 8. Subtraction is 7. That is the answer of filling the boxes, and then we can write the second example. Find the value of following determinant. Can I understand this? Yes, very easy. You can remember only formula how to find the value of determinant. Daily practice must be important for maths. Find the values of following determinant. Second one, find value of following determinant. In determinant 7 upon 3, 5 by 3, 3 by 2 and 1/2. There are integers, no problem. Our same formula 7 by 3 into half minus 3 by 2 into 5 by 3 is equal to 7 into 1 is 7, 3 into 2 is 6 minus 3 into 5 is 15 and 2 into 3 is 6 is equal to 7 upon 6 minus 15 upon 6. Here denominators are same. Now here 7 minus 15 as it is divided by 6. 7 minus 15 is equal to minus 8 divided by 6. Both are the even numbers. 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8, means value of determinant is minus 4 by 3 is our answer. Write down this example. Now question number 3. Any problem? Very good. Now we are going to solve third question from this practice set 1.3. Solve following simultaneous equations. Solve following simultaneous equations using Cramer's rule. Means by determinant method or by using Cramer's rule. First one is 3x minus 4y is equal to 10, and second one 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. 3x minus 4y is equal to 10 and 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. First observe the given equations are in general form or not. Yes, both equations are in general form or standard form. Then for our convenience, write first these two equations again. 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. Equation number 1. 4x plus 3y is equal to 5, equation number 2. You know, first we have to find value of d or determinant. D is equal to, what is the formula? First, this main player A1, A2, B1, B2 are the main players. That means 3 minus 4, 4 and 3. Three into 3 minus 4 into minus 4. 4 into minus 4 is equal to 3 3s are 9, minus minus become plus 16, and 9 plus 16 is 25 is value of first determinant. Now what we have to find? Dx. Again in determinant, for dx, you know, except these two a1 and a2, replace these two number by constant or reserve player 10 and 5. 10, 5. And these two number means b1, b2 as it is minus 4, 3 is equal to 10 into 3 minus 5 into minus 4 is equal to 30. Again minus minus become plus, 5 4 are 20 is equal to 50, means dx is equal to 50. Then for dy, is equal to, how we can find dy? Yes, first a1 a2 as it is, that is 3 4, and except b1 b2 their reserve players are there 10 5 is equal to 3 into 5 minus 4 into 10 is equal to 15, minus 40 is equal to, now here this is plus 15 and this is minus 40. Subtract smaller number from bigger number, means 40 minus 15, 25. And which sign? Sign of bigger number. Here bigger number is 40 and sign of that number is minus. That means here our subtraction is minus 25, means dy is minus 25. Okay, here we find d, dx and dy. Now here we have to mention, now by Cramer's rule, remember this for tough cases. Top student should be write this half mark for this by Cramer's rule. For tough cases means those who are getting 40 out of 40 marks in board exam. This should be compulsory there. Now by Cramer's rule, now x is equal to dx by d is equal to, here dx is 50 divided by d. D is 25. 25 twos are 50, means x is equal to 2. This is value of x. Now for y. Now for y, dy is divided by dy divided by d is equal to, dy is minus 25 and d is again 25. 25 ones are 25, means minus 1. That means y is equal to minus 1. This is solution of given equation. X is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the required solution of this simultaneous equation by Cramer's rule. Now, any doubt in this example? Write answer according to example. In board exam and in semester and prelim also, how to write answer? Answer according to example in word problem, in this problem also. Here you should write here solution is equal to x, y is equal to 2 minus 1. Now we are going to see the next example. Anyone can solve on blackboard? Yes, Nikita, Rutuja, Sahil. Sahil, can you solve on blackboard? This example is very easy. Suppose this is third example. You know this question. (1.3). This is third example from practice set 1.3. X plus 2y is equal to minus 1 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. X plus 2y is equal to minus 1 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Which is our first step? First observe given equations are in standard form or not. If these are not in standard form, convert first in standard form. Here these two equations are in standard form. That means here solution. First we have to find the value of determinant. For your convenience, you can write here A1 is equal to, A2 is equal to, B1 is equal to, B2 is equal to, C1 is equal to, C2 is equal to. You can write for your convenience. If you know the value of A1, A2, C1, C2, then you can write direct also here D is equal to. Before that, for convenience, write these two equations in such a type: x plus 2y is equal to minus 1 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. This is for our convenience. D is equal to, here there is no coefficient of x, and you know if there is no coefficient there should be 1, means 1, 2 and 2 minus 3. 1, 2 and 2 minus 3. Write coefficient with sign. Is equal to 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into 2 is equal to 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 minus 2 into 2 4 is equal to minus 7 is value of D. Now dx. For dx, these two players are taking rest. Except these two players, we can write reserve player minus 1 and 12. And these two players are as it is 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1 into minus 3 minus 1 into minus 3 minus 12 into 2 is equal to minus minus become plus 3 minus 12 twos are 24 is equal to, here also plus 3 and minus 24 means subtract smaller number from bigger number. 24 minus 3 21 and sign of this minus, dx is equal to 21. Now dy. For dy, first two players are come back from rest, 1, 2, and this B1, B2 are taking rest. There are reserve players -1 and 12. Same method, 1 into 12 minus 2 into -1. 2 into -1 is equal to 1 into 12 as it is, minus minus become plus, 2 into 1 2 is equal to 14, means dy is equal to 14. This is value of d, this is dx and this is dy by Cramer's rule. Don't forget this. By Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx by d. Dx is -21 divided by -7. Minus minus become plus. 7 3s are 21. Means x is equal to 3. Then y is equal to dy by d. dy is 14 and d is 7, -7. 7 2s are 14, minus sign as it is, means y is equal to -2. Means required solution xy is equal to 3 minus 2. This is required solution. Remember once again, if equations are not in standard form, first convert in standard form and then solve by this way. Both examples, all examples are easy based on Cramer's rule or by determinant method. Remaining examples from practice set 1.3, try to solve at home. If any problem, you can ask your friend first. If he is unable to solve given example, then you will ask me. Okay? Thank you.
आपले हक्काचे मराठी चॅनल रायगड ओवी न्यूज चॅनल, सदैव आपल्यासोबत रायगड ओवी न्यूज चॅनल. नेहमी पाहत रहा, लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करायला विसरू नका.